Hello everyone and welcome to Net Crypto, where you get important information and news about all coins and tokens of interest. And today we are taking a look at a token of interest, Bitcoin ETF. This one is a nasty scam, right? So hopefully you haven't bought into it. Don't buy the pre-sale, right? So it's in the pre-sale right now, right? And this one is a scam, right? So this is just a spin-off from the multiple scams that we have covered on the channel, right? Just leveraging the news. So everyone knows we are expecting the Bitcoin ETF approval by the SEC. So the scammers have actually jumped onto that bandwagon. They've jumped on that news story, created this scam token, right? Bitcoin ETF. It's actually spinning from other scams like Btcet. You can even see the signs here. The logos are almost the same, right? Btcet. You can see there's BTCX, right? We also had this one was a really nasty scam, Bitcoin BSC, right? If you even visit this site, you get a red flag, like it has been flagged, this site, for actually stealing passphrases and all sorts of scammy things, right? And of course, throughout all these scams, a lot of people after the pre-sale were not able to even claim, right? A lot of people were tricked into staking when they wanted to claim. By the time that the 7 days is done, when they wanted to actually claim, they were not able to do so, right? So that's how the scam works. They allow some people to be able to claim, but some people, they don't allow them to be able to actually claim. So this is a nasty scam. Don't buy into it at all, right? Like I said, there was Bitcoin 20. This one, they were selling each Bitcoin for $1, right? And today you want to know how much each is worth? Yes, 36 cents, right? 36 cents. And a whole lot of people who bought in the pre-sale were not even able to claim. So they were not even able to get the 36 cents on the dollar that they paid for, right? Bitcoin, BTCX, these ones that abandoned the scam, right? And of course we have Bitcoin BSC, right? You know how much this worth? This one was also $1.99, while in the pre-sale for each token it was 99 cents, and today it's worth 26 cents on the dollar. And a lot of people were not able to even claim after the pre-sale for this one, right? So some people are able to claim, a lot were not able to claim, right? So this is a nasty scam, right? It's a nasty scam. So you do see here, right? You do see one BTC ETF is equal to 0.005, right? You can buy with a USDT card, Ethereum, right? And one thing that is actually shocking for me is there's even an article on investing.com, right? On investing.com, there's even an article which is really shocking. Let's see what they say at the bottom, right? This article was generated with the support of AI and reviewed by an editor. For more information, see our T's and C's, right? So it was generated by AI. That's basically what they are saying. So AI wrote this article. This article was generated with the support of AI and reviewed by an editor. Like, that doesn't even make any sense, right? Okay, so Bitcoin ETF token is a new cryptocurrency launched on Monday, November 6th, 2023. Has already raised more than 35K within a day of its pre-sale. The ERC20 token, which is speculating on potential Bitcoin ETF approvals by the SEC, began its pre-sale at the token price of 0.005. The token aims to raise 5 million with no minimum or maximum investment limit, right? So the token's price is designed to increase by 36% across pre-sale rounds, creating a sense of agency among potential investors. The pre-sale of 40% of its 2.1 billion tokens on btcetftoken.com has attracted substantial interest. Yeah, so this is a scam, guys. I don't even know why articles like this are allowed to be to actually be published. This is pretty hectic, man. You know, so this one, it's a scam, Bitcoin ETF. Yeah, and even the address that you see right here at the bottom of the website, they've got some address. This is just some address, right, that they can actually just purchase. It's like those virtual spaces you see, 40A Orchard Road, McDonald House, Singapore. It's like a virtual place where you can just purchase an address or a virtual office space for like a day or something like that, right? Pricing from $850, and then you leave. So we have seen this is how all these scams have worked. Even with BTC20, they also had some sort of like address. I think it was in Belgium or something. You can see it at the bottom here. Yeah, they had a Belgium address, right? All these are like virtual spaces, right? Like virtual spaces, virtual addresses. It's not like a real BTC20 like company and all that. It's just designed to scam money, right? So you might be wondering, how are you able to wise up against the scammers, right? So I've got an affiliate link down in the description. Just check out the Big Brain Crypto Ego logbook, right? So this is a logbook designed to track pre-sales. So you can track up to 70 pre-sales, right? So it allows you to log pertinent information about multiple pre-sales, right? So that you can end up wising up against scammers for yourself. It's a hardcover book that you can actually log all these pre-sales, right? Link is in the description, right? And there are only two ways in crypto that you make money, right? Because no doubt you're interested into this because maybe you want to get involved with Bitcoin, right? There are only two ways in crypto to make money. One way, right, is by just go and check out the top 100 tokens on CoinMarketCap, right? Tokens such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, AVEX, right, CrewCoin, those tokens, the top 100, just pick any, right, with a decent price point and enter a position. And when the market, when Bitcoin, when we are in a bull market, currently the price of Bitcoin is hovering around the 35,000. When we are in a bull market, let's say Bitcoin goes to 50, 60, 100,000, you sell, you make your profit, maybe you make a 3, 4, 5x, right? That's one way. The other way is to trade crypto. That's the two main ways to make money in crypto. But trading crypto, you need to learn how it is done, right? You need to have a strategy. And if you want to actually see how that is done, or at least what I am doing in trading, you can just join. Click the join button on the Net Crypto membership, right? And you'll be able to get access to this series that we are doing, where we are converting $50 to $1,000 through trading crypto, right? So those are the main two ways. Of course, there are other things like perpetuals, futures, options, and so on, but that is just, you need to go to university for that, right? To just make sure that you understand what you're doing. But the main two ways that anyone can learn is just go and buy during a bear market like now. The ETF news maybe is some of the things, is part of the news that is going to actually push Bitcoin into a bull market, right? To push crypto into a bull market, right? And right now you can just go and pick any on the top 100 tokens on CoinMarketCap, right? Just pick decent projects, research them, and right, you buy when the market, when Bitcoin is at 100,000, right? You sell, you get your profit. Or you can trade crypto. Like here, we are starting with $50 and we want to convert this to $1,000. It's a challenge. It's not easy, right? But I'll be sharing all the tips and tricks, right? The highs, the lows, I'll be sharing with you, right? If you join the Net Crypto membership. And as a member, you actually can request me to review a token of your choice, right? And I'll get to that review within 48 hours. So that's one of the perk as well that you get as a Net Crypto member, right? So this one, don't touch it while it's in the pre-sale, right? Chances are, if they actually launch this thing, it becomes really famous, right? A lot of people will get scammed in the pre-sale, of course, but if they do renounce the contract after they have actually launched this thing, it can actually become like a real token, right? Provided they've renounced the contract. But if the contract is not renounced, just remember that the guys behind this, they are the ones who are holding the largest number of the tokens. There will not even be a contract, right, for this one, because that's just how pre-sales work, right? So it's quite difficult right now. That's why I always say golden rule number one: never ever buy in the pre-sale, because if you buy in the pre-sale, they can block you from being able to claim. They'll just blame you, like, you know what, you need to disconnect your wallet, clear your cookies, reconnect, try again. And if it fails, they say, you don't understand crypto, why did you buy, so that's what these guys, what they do. So be extremely careful, right? This one is a nasty scam. And even the website layout, it seems like they're just using the same type of they are using the same type of template, right? For all of these things is just basically designed to steal money from you, right? So I know a lot of people who disagree. But why are you saying this is a scam? We've been looking at these things for a very long time, right? We have multiple scams that we have looked at on the channel, right? And we are going to continue to do so. So let me know what you think, right? And if you really think that it's not a scam, I hope you stick around on the channel, and because I'm going to be following this one through, right, to see exactly what happens. And of course, right, and I'll be giving out all the updates. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.